Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to enroll in First Citizens Bank's digital banking for 2025. If you're a customer looking to make banking easier and more convenient, this guide is for you. It's quick, straightforward, and will have you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have everything you need. You'll require your First Citizens Bank account number, a valid email address, and a mobile phone for verification. This step is crucial to keep your account secure. Step 1. Head over to the First Citizens Bank website at firstcitizens.com or download the mobile app from your device's app store. The app is user-friendly and works on both iOS and Android. Step 2. Once you're on the site or in the app, look for the Enroll in Digital Banking button. It's usually front and center on the homepage. Click it to start the process. Step 3. You'll be prompted to enter your personal details, like your account number and social security number for verification. Double-check everything to avoid any delays. Step 4. Set up your security preferences. This includes creating a strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and possibly answering security questions. Remember, the stronger your security, the safer your money. Step 5. Verify your enrollment. The bank will send a code to your email or phone. Enter it to confirm. Once done, you'll gain full access to features like bill pay, transfers, and real-time account monitoring. And there you have it. You're now enrolled in First Citizens Bank's digital banking for 2025. If you run into any issues, check the bank's help section or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for more banking tips and tricks. See you next time.